What's the meaning of confidentially? Confidentially. Confidentially.
Confidentially. Confidentially. Confidentially is an adverb that describes the act of keeping information private and not disclosing it to others. When someone communicates something confidentially, they are indicating that the information is intended only for the person or group being addressed, and should not be shared with anyone else without permission. It implies a level of trust between parties, where sensitive information is shared with the understanding that it will be kept confidential. Confidentiality is often required in professional settings such as legal, medical, or financial fields, where privacy and discretion are of utmost importance.